Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about my food experience in Barbecue Nation, Esra Nagar, Hyderabad. Barbecue Nation, everyone's favorite. But is it going to be the favorite one during pandemic time? Well, let's explore. So we were one of the early birds to enter this place at 1200 hours and a temperature check was done on us and even we got ourselves sanitized. And the person who was there at the reception, he guided us to our seats. And before we get seated, they made sure that they are cleaning each and everything properly, especially the tables, as you see now. And even they are sanitizing it with proper care, which you'll be seeing now as one person who will be doing that. And even sanitizing the seats. Yes, there you go. And meet this person. He is Mr. Robin. He was the one who served us food and he showed a great hospitality over here. He had taken care of us in a great manner and he even made sure to ask us about the taste of the food so that they can improve themselves, especially in the quality of the food. And the most important thing about this person, well, I would say he is such a dedicated and a hardworking employee, and at the same time he is a fine gentleman as he refused to take any tip from us, especially when we offered him. So if you're visiting this place, remember the name Robin. And coming back to the scene, this is how the table will look once it is sanitized and a sticker will be pasted. I am sanitized, as you can see over there. So before moving to the barbecue part, let us quickly explore the main course section, the one which is on the right as you see. And one can pause the video for a second and read the one which is written over there, as they were ready to serve us on our table itself, and that's the reason I didn't touch anything over here. So I'll be showing you the names of the main course food and a look from the outside, which you'll be seeing now. And this is the section of green salad, which you'll be seeing now. And now moving to the non-veg main course section, as you see over there. So this is the non-veg barbecue part, which consists of some seafood and even some chicken items. Then on the other side, some veg barbecue is also available, which consists of pineapple, paneer, mushroom, and few other food items. And soon I'm going to take you to the kitchen where you will be able to see all those food items. A view of the kitchen from the outside, as you see how properly the chef are preparing the food. And before moving towards the kitchen, let's explore the one which is on the right side. And there you go, Veg Tawa Nation. And there you see the chef who's preparing the food by taking all the necessary precautions. And even the menu is given outside. You can read it. And a close look over the food. And don't worry, I'll be taking you inside soon. And on the other side, it is kept for Chaat Nation, especially for Pani Puri and rest of the chaat items, as you see now. Soon you'll see the interior view of Tawa Nation and the Chaat Nation. And there you go. And this is the Shawarma Nation, as you see the menu. And we'll have an interior look soon. And on the other side, you can find the non-veg Tawa Nation. And this is the interior view of the non-veg Tawa Nation and Shawarma Nation. And finally, after this, we are moving to the main kitchen where all other food items are prepared, especially the barbecue and the other pastry items also. And he's the person who's the supervisor here who was guiding me inside the kitchen, and even the necessary precautions were taken before entering the kitchen. And as you see, this is the food storage where they keep veg separately and non-veg food separately. And on the other side you can see some barbecue items. And next we are moving to another room where they prepare pastries and cake items. To be honest, I would say it was a beautiful smell when I entered. And this is the place where they prepare main course food. And finally moving to the barbecue kitchen part, where as I said you'll be seeing lot of food items, veg on one side and non-veg on the other side. Overall, they have maintained the kitchen properly. 10 out of 10, I would say. So once we were done with the kitchen tour, we moved to the drink side where one can find cocktails and mocktails. And as you see, the person is preparing a juice right now. Well, an important thing I forgot to tell. If you want to know where Barbecue Nation comes exactly, you can check in one of my previous videos, which is ECL2 Neredmet, a commercialized zone. There I have mentioned about Barbecue Nation, AS Rao Nagar. So do check out that video in the description link. And next, moving to everyone's favorite corner, the dessert part. Well, as it was the initial stage, a few of the places were not filled, but slowly every slot were filled with unique food items over here, as you'll be seeing few photos now. And talking about the tariffs of Barbecue Nation, do check it out in the description link, as the price may differ from weekdays to weekends. Some sweets you're going to see now. All the three were really good, but the signature sweet, I would say, that will be Anguri Gulab Jamun, a must try in Barbecue Nation, the best one. And moving on to the kulfi part, well, one must try kulfi in Barbecue Nation, as you'll find most of the flavors over here, and even you can see the person preparing now. So the kulfi part was the last one in Barbecue Nation, and with this we were done for the day. And overall, my food experience, it was great, and I would recommend everyone to do visit Barbecue Nation, which is in AS Rao Nagar, Hyderabad. They have maintained the best standards during this pandemic time, and hats off to them. They have shown a great hospitality were here, and at the same time it was my cousin's birthday, and they gave a surprise to him, which you'll be seeing now.
Congratulations and celebrations. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, sir. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So that was an amazing day, guys, in Barbecue Nation, Esrao Nagar. If you have loved this video, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. In the meanwhile, stay safe. Thank you very much.